The guy to the right of us just accidentally dumped his sewage all over the ground.
I forgot to disconnect, which is a rookie mistake.
$200 for a closet?
It's gonna look so beautiful, you're not even gonna believe it. You're gonna cry. It's gonna be so pretty in there.
I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided life's way too short. So we sold our home and most of our stuff to move into a home on wheels. We are now in our second year in an even smaller RV, and along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full time in search of new landscapes, experiences, and friends. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through this RV lifestyle, and until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire. We're at Chatfield State Park again. Let me show you what site we're in. Last year when we were here, we were directly across from the site we're in now, in 184. I like that one. It was a back end. But I'll link that video because that shows you a little bit more of Chatfield State Park. We don't need to rehash it. Great bike riding trails, a lake, kayaking, fishing, boating, all the good stuff. Do you like Chatfield?
So today is Tammy's birthday. I can't tell if she's happy with that it's her birthday or because it's a 9. It's a 9 out of 10. It's kind of like when your odometer rolls over. She's heading into a new decade next year. So this is a 9, but you know how the 9s go. Anyway, I'm gonna let her sleep in for a bit here. Maybe I'll make breakfast, pancakes and eggs. Well, you ready for pancakes and eggs?
I can only imagine how wonderful I look right now. Getting old.
Beautiful. Well, babe, how were those birthday pancakes?
You mean the birthday bagel? It's okay. All I want for my birthday is to see my baby boy and grandson. That's what I get to do. Let's go. Ready to leave Chatfield and go back down to Mom and Dad's in southern Colorado. And Jasper has changed his attitude over the last month or so. Before he would hide when it was time to leave, and now when we start getting ready, he meows at the door. Jasper, I'm gonna go bye-bye.
You vacuum the floor before we close the door?
Yeah, thanks a lot, babe.
The problem is when I do this, then you need to vacuum again. On the trip home from Florida, I stopped and this thing was open. So it definitely gotta take care to make sure it clicks into place. This thing is worth its weight in gold.
Come on, you're the first to get in the truck. Don't worry about it. We're not gonna leave you anywhere.
I don't know about you, but I like a good hitch hookup. Like that satisfying clunk sound. Light check, and we're out of here. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Come on back.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Back at Mom and Dad's, mooch docking for a while. Then we'll go to Denver. Then we'll come back. Then we'll go back to Denver. Doctor's appointments, family stuff. But first things first, more RV projects. Remember that washer and dryer we pulled out? Have you seen that video? Yeah, so we decided to ditch the washing machine and we discovered a huge cavity full of air coming in, and we're gonna remedy that. and create some storage.
I know what you're thinking. You need to quit finding things to fix. We ended up with all these big holes in the closet here. If you look through the holes, you can see daylight down around the hitch. I duct taped up all the holes just to keep things out and try and hold back the hot air. We're going to dig into this and see if we can patch up the holes and see if we can come up with a little bit more space. By golly, I think we found some cubic feet. I think we made the right call. I can easily see how I'm going to be able to patch up the daylight, and we're going to make it functional space. Probably without spending a whole lot, maybe $50.
$200 for a closet?
I think we can make an improvement on that.
Goodbye, dryer hose.
Just a little piece of foil here that should have been attached to prevent things from coming in, but it's not. It's just loose, and that's why it looks different, because now you can see right up and see the ground.
I can only imagine the amount of creepy crawlies down in there, babe.
And we got out of Florida before it got dangerous. We would have had anacondas living in the cap.
No, but we might have a few lizards and tree frogs who are probably wondering what they're doing in the dry Colorado climate right now.
So I'm calling this Reflectix because I have no idea what it's really called. But what it is, it's about 1/8 of an inch of foam with a foil backing, and it's sticky on one side. And I'm gonna shroud the top side of the kingpin assembly to where there's no air gaps, but it still can move around and flex as we go down the road.
Do you want to also clean your glasses off while you're at it so that we can see your eyes?
What do you mean? This is clean. All right, that's enough work for today. Got to get ready for the grandbabies. Let's go take a shower.
Until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire.
We'd really like to know what you guys think about our video. Did you think it was good?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The frog.
Frogs?
How about you?
My favorite part was the lizard.
The lizards.
I can make a circle.
Okay, day number 2, the great bedroom closet remodel project. Get busy.
There's a gap in your wood.
It's a work in progress. I've got to go out and cut trim. It's going to look so beautiful. You're not even going to believe it. You're gonna cry. It's going to be so pretty in there.
Babe.
Huh.
You're smelling super manly right now.
That's how hardworking people smell, babe. Well, here's closet expansion box number 1. Do you hear that echo? Here goes the big one. And this is not going to be pretty. All right, there it is. That's enough room for about half of 2 totes. We're rebuilding this baby. It's going to be solid because it is riding right up in the front where it's going to take a lot of bouncing. But this thing, all in all, it's going to be so much more airtight. And shoot, we're picking up some cubic feet. I know why they use so many staples in these RVs. It's because it's easy, and that's what I'm doing here, because it's easy. But then I'm going back and I'm putting angle iron on them. I just, gonna be a lot of wiggling. So this isn't gonna look beautiful, but it's gonna work great. We had that opening there, and I hated just to cover it up. So every square inch counts. Voila. We just picked up another cubby that weighed didn't have before.
You're the cubby master, babe.
I made one shelf to divide this one up here for shoes. I know I said I was going to do two, but I did one because of the material shortage. I don't know. I mean, something will go there.
Hats.
Hats and gloves, maybe. It's going to be beautiful. I've got some veneer to put on the side walls. We're going to get this all trimmed out with 45-degree angle frames around the openings. You're going to be impressed. Just to make things a little bit more dramatic than they really are, I'm going to bring her in and open the door when she walks in and see what she thinks. Hey babe, come check it out.
All done?
Not quite, but almost.
Okay, I'll take almost.
Okay, stand back and I'm going to give you the big reveal here.
Okay.
Now keep in mind we can paint.
Wow.
What do you think of that? Look at all that extra space.
Let me think about it. I'm not sure. Just kidding.